How to disable microphone on Android. So first of all, if you want to disable microphone on specific app, what you're going to do is go to your settings and then from here scroll down until you see the app option. Right here, tap on apps, and then from here you can now search for the specific app that you want to disable the microphone of. For example, I want this particular app's microphone, then tap on it, then tap on permissions. After doing that, tap on microphone. And then in here, you can see it is selected allow while using. If you want to disable it, simply tap on don't allow. And now you're all set. Now this particular app do not have the microphone permission of your application. But if you want to remove all of the permissions of your microphone, then what you're going to do is, first of all, go back. We're on the main settings. And now from here, what you're going to do is search for privacy and security. Right here, security and privacy, tap on it. Then from here, scroll down. Then we'll get the option of controls and alerts. Simply tap on this option. Here you can see microphone access is enabled. All you need to do is tap on this toggle button and then tap on block one more time. Now, none of your applications will have any microphone access of your phone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.